Hello?
Oh, hey, is this Pronto
Hello?
Plumbers? Hi, is this Pronto Plumbers?
Yes?
Hi, yes. Is this the manager or one of the workers?
No, this is Danny. Who's calling?
Oh, okay. Hi, Danny. Yeah, I called you guys to come out. After you guys came out in February, you guys couldn't fix my plumbing at Whitley House and apartment 408. You said you were going to talk to Nora about coming back out, but you guys never got back in contact with me.
Why are you calling me from a different number? I told you, like 2 days ago, and if you have additional work or any requests, you have to let management know. I don't own the building. I'm not the manager there, so I cannot make any decisions. I'm
I
not
didn't
going to
ask
go
you.
there.
I didn't ask you that. My question was, I talked to you on the phone, and you said you were going to talk to Nora about getting permission to come out. What happened with that? I never heard back from you.
Figure it out with her.
I,
Obviously,
I,
if I didn't go out, it's because I didn't have any permission to go back out.
oh, she didn't give you permission to come back out. God damn. Hello.
Works better. You could also text me at 323-219-6083.
So now I can't get back. So he told me that. She told me that he just told me that. He just yelled at me and told me. See how rude they are? He just yelled at me and told me she didn't give him permission to come back out.
You have reached Daniel with Pronto Plumbing and
And now
Motor.
he just
At the moment, I am not available. Please leave me a voicemail.
now he just blocked my call.
A text message always works better. You could also text me at 323-219-6083.